Today I'm going to show you how to create a smooth twitch shake effect using shaek from the Sapphire plugins. For this tutorial, you'll need the Sapphire plugin. And don't worry, you can find all the editing materials in the description below. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, cut your clips into 25 frame segments. Once that's done, scale each clip up to 100.5. Now, select all of your clips, right-click, and nest them. Perfect. Next, head over to the Effects panel and drag the S_shake effect onto your nested clip. Now, go to the Effect Controls panel. At the very beginning of the clip, create an amplitude keyframe and set its value to 2. Then, move to the middle of the clip and change the amplitude value to 0. Great! Now, set the frequency to 12. After that, enable motion blur and set its value to 2.5. Next, open the amplitude graph. Carefully adjust the curve from right to left, just like this. Don't make it too high, and don't make it too low either. Keeping it around this level will give you the smoothest and most natural looking shake effect. Once you're happy with the result, simply copy the effect and paste it onto the rest of your clips. After that, render your sequence for smooth playback. If you want a stronger twitch shake effect, you can slightly increase both the amplitude and frequency values. And that's it! After rendering, your final result will look smooth, clean, and professional. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more Premiere Pro editing tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.